For more than 7 years, I've been using an electric toothbrush from Philips, the Sonicare HealthyWhite. After more than 7 years of daily use, the internal mechanism has finally failed. I have been very happy with this toothbrush. It had 3 brushing modes: clean, sensitive, and clean and white. Even though the toothbrush still works, the battery still holds a very good charge, and all 3 brushing modes are still functional. The problem is with the mechanism that transfers the vibrations to the brush head. As you can see, the metal element where the brush head attaches is no longer vibrating at all. I decided to take it apart, and as you can see, the inside still looks almost perfect. There are no visible signs of moisture or other damage, and the electromagnetic mechanism itself is still working. However, after taking a closer look at the mechanism, I found the actual problem. The mechanism has simply broken in 2 different places. The metal spring that transfers the vibrations from the electromagnet to the metal support is completely broken in one place, and part of the metal head that holds the mechanism in place is also damaged. There are probably replacement parts available that could allow me to repair it, but for now, I decided not to do that. When I originally bought this toothbrush, it came with a travel case and a wall charger. Now, I will show you the new electric toothbrush I decided to buy. This is the Philips Sonicare 6100, model HX7400 in white. The version I bought does not include a travel case and comes with 1 brush head. Inside the box, we have some instructions to help us get started, as well as the usual documentation. The toothbrush comes with a USB charging cable and charging base, but there is no wall power adapter included in the box. Here we have the charging base. It is a very simple design with a small white pin in the center where the toothbrush is placed. It looks very similar to the charger that came with my old Sonicare. Next, we have the brush head. It is individually sealed in its own package, keeping it clean until it is ready to be used. It is a relatively simple brush head, but it should be very effective. It also comes with the usual plastic protection cap for the bristles. At the bottom of the brush head, we can see the brush sync technology. This keeps track of how the brush head is being used and can remind you when it is time to replace it. And finally, we have the toothbrush itself. It is also very well packaged and protected inside the box. The toothbrush has two buttons. The first button is used to turn the toothbrush on and off, while the second button allows us to select the brushing mode and intensity. At the bottom, we can see that the new toothbrush is secured with a screw. This is different from my old HealthyWhite, which was held together using a pressed fit construction. The new toothbrush has two brushing modes. The first one is clean, and the second one is sensitive. Each mode has 3 different intensity levels ranging from low to high. This allows the intensity to be adjusted according to personal preference. The toothbrush is very easy to place on its charging base, but I also wanted to find out whether I could use the charger from my old Sonicare with the new toothbrush. There is one difference between the two chargers. The new charger uses a USB connection, so to plug it directly into a wall outlet, you need a USB power adapter. The old charger has its own wall plug and can be connected directly to the electrical outlet. Now, let's compare the two toothbrushes. At first glance, they look quite similar, but the new Sonicare 6100 is noticeably smaller. It is shorter, thinner, and also lighter than my old HealthyWhite. However, there is one difference that I immediately noticed, and unfortunately, I consider it a disadvantage. My old HealthyWhite has a rubberized area on the back of the handle. This gives it a very good grip and makes it much easier to hold securely in your hand. The new Sonicare 6100 does not have this rubberized surface. The handle is mostly plastic, and especially during the first few uses, I had the feeling that it could slip slightly in my hand. At the top where the brush head attaches, the new toothbrush also appears to have a better designed structure for protecting the mechanism from water getting inside. There is another nice surprise. The new toothbrush also fits perfectly inside the travel case from my old HealthyWhite. Even though the new toothbrush is slightly shorter, the old case still holds it perfectly. So, if you are upgrading from an older Sonicare model, you may be able to continue using your existing travel case. I will now test both chargers. First, I connect both charging bases to the power. For the new toothbrush, I am using a USB power adapter from an older phone. When I place the new toothbrush on its original charging base, It immediately gives me both an audible and a visual indication that charging has started. The flashing green lights confirm that the battery is charging. Now I will test the old charger. As you can see, my old toothbrush charges perfectly on its original charger. And now for the interesting part. When I place the new Sonicare 6100 on the old charger, it immediately starts charging as well. So I can use the original charger from my old HealthyWhite with the new Sonicare 6100 without any problems. This is quite useful because I can keep using the old charger without needing a separate USB power adapter. Now it is time to actually test the toothbrush. I have attached the brush head, and you can see how powerful the vibrations are, especially when increasing the intensity. The first thing I noticed when I actually used it is how powerful it feels. Even on the highest intensity, the vibrations are very strong. After brushing, my mouth feels extremely fresh and clean, and you can really feel that the toothbrush is doing a good job. I also really like the fact that there are 3 intensity levels. This gives you the option to use a lower intensity when you want something gentler, or switch to the highest intensity when you want a much stronger brushing experience. And finally, I want to show you another useful feature of the new toothbrush. It has a pressure sensor that warns you if you are applying too much pressure while brushing. When too much pressure is detected, the toothbrush gives you a visual warning through the light at the bottom, and it also changes the vibration pattern. This is something my old HealthyWhite did not have. So after the first use, my overall impression is very positive. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.